Hi, this is Sean from Hotels Coins, and today we're going to be talking about a nice piece dollar collection I recently purchased. Today I'm very excited to show you I recently purchased a piece dollar collection. It's missing the 21 and the 34S in the collection, but the rest of the coins are very exceptional in this set, as you will see. I'll go coin by coin and show you guys each coin in this set, and you'll definitely be pleased, as I am very happy to have recently purchased this. This collection will be broken down and will be submitted, majority of it, to PCGS. This is a very nice collection. So we'll go coin by coin. As you see, the first one, there's a hole in it. Let me grab something real quick. And it's a 22 filled into that one. Second, grab something for the coins. And with always dance school albums, I always suggest be careful sliding out the plastic, because sometimes it can scratch a coin. So you always want to be very cautious when you're taking out the plastic, so you don't scratch the coins. And take something and just push them out, as I am using a Kleenex to do so. So the first coin we're going to look at is a 1922 S piece dollar. Obverse is obviously very nice, as you can see on here. And one thing I love about a piece dollar, sometimes is chat on the front. The backs are always mostly absolutely gorgeous, as you can see on here. It's got really nice original cartwheel luster on this coin. Very nice coin. Next up, let's see. This is your standard 1922 piece dollar in uncirculated grade. Something like this I would just normally just sell as an Unc piece dollar. I don't think it's high grade enough to get it submitted, just because of the cost. Normally piece dollars you'd want to be like in a high end 65 to 67 grade to be worthwhile to get graded. But this one is, still a nice coin for a common day piece dollar. Next coin we have the 1922D piece dollar. This one I'm not going to get graded. Reason is, if I tilt it in the light just right, you'll see hairlines in the coins, and this is evidence of it being mishandled or cleaned at one point. It is uncirculated coin as a type of condition, but it has been cleaned at one point or has been rubbed. Next coin we have is another common date 1923 uncirculated condition. And again, like the 1922, this one I would just sell as an uncirculated coin. Cost value wise is not worth getting graded, but still a nice uncirculated piece dollar. Next we have is a 1923D piece dollar, uncirculated. Very nice original luster to the coin. And the reverse is also very nice. Really, when I first saw this set, I was very pleased with it, especially the luster on these coins. You can tell they're definitely original coins, a majority of them. Next one, let's get some more plastic out. Be careful. We have a 1923 D piece dollar. I'm sorry, 1923S. Nice coin. Little bit of tone mark on here, but we'll get that cleaned up. a little jewel luster, or I'm sorry, MS70, before we submit this coin. Next one we have 1924 piece dollar. Another common day coin that will just sell as an Unc, but still nice original cartwheel luster to the coin. Then we have a 1924S. It's got a little bit of toning on the obverse. But what I like about this coin is the reverse. It's exceptionally blast white color. A little bit of toning, but the cartwheel is absolutely amazing on this coin and the detail. Very, very nice coin. Then we have a common date 1925 piece dollar. Uncirculated coin. Next up, 1925S piece dollar. It's a really nice AU 55A58. This coin would not Unc if you were getting it graded, but for a semi-key date or a harder to get date piece dollar, it's still a nice coin. And it's this type of coin is perfect for a dance school album. Next we have a 1926 piece dollar. Very nice and circulated. A little bit of brown spots, but still a nice coin. Okay, let's get the next set of coins out. Now we have a 1926D piece dollar. Very nice coin. And the other one is this 1926S. Then we have a really, really nice 1927 piece dollar. Very nice coin for a Philadelphia mint. The reverse is absolutely amazing on this coin. Love the luster on these. Then we have a 1927. Let me look. 1927D. Very nice coin. Next up, 1927S. A 1928 Philadelphia. One of the key date piece dollars in this set. As you can see, the reverse is very nice on this coin. Then we have a very, very nice 28S. This is probably one of the nicer coins of the set. Very excited to get this one graded here. Reverse, absolutely gorgeous also. Then we have a 1934 Philadelphia. A 1934 D piece dollar. This one I won't grade either because there's a little bit of rub right here. As you can see, that rubbing that went on right here. So this one I wouldn't get graded, but still a nice coin. 1935p piece dollar. Last coin of the series, 1935s. 35s is not a very expensive coin, but honestly, I hardly see 35s. It's very hard to find piece dollar in any type of grade, in my opinion. Well, that's all I have for today on the piece dollars. I hope you enjoyed our video. Always comment below and what coins were you like, or even, hey, which one was your favorite, the ones that I showed you. Also, please subscribe to our future videos to see the upcoming videos we do on more on coins and currency and sometimes card. And always, thank you.